Hello everyone! Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first DIY I thought was really cool. She makes like these marble and gold mirrors. This is such a pretty aesthetic. She does place this over her fireplace. I think that this is unreal, just breathtaking. Definitely doesn't look like something she made herself. It looks very high-end and professional. And then we have this planter DIY. So it looks like she has an old bucket here. And then she's going in with the glue gun. Some type of like bamboo placemat or wooden placemat. And then just gluing it around the perimeter. This is a very beginner friendly project. Very cool. Next up, we have another kind of simple DIY. So she has just a glass jar here, some tape, rubber bands, and then she's just spray painting that. So pretty much making like some nice decorative jars. And what's nice about these kind of DIYs is you can do any size that you want. Very cool. And then we have some type of dollar store inspired DIY for the next one. So she spray painted those bases. Like she has some plastic spoons here. Oh, wow. This is breathtaking. Very pretty. Another gorgeous, like high-end looking DIY. Wonder where she got those flowers from. Those are really pretty. So I think this DIY is going to involve some type of stool being made. I'm just going to guess right now that that's what she's doing. Oh, I love the marble effect that you created though with that. That's really pretty. Laundry room upgrade. Wow, look at this transformation. She used contact paper for that. That is so cool. I love laundry rooms that look like really well put together. They're just so inviting and relaxing. Like you actually want to, chill in there and fold your laundry. Very nice. So put together. And then we have another DIY involving a bucket. Looks like she's making some type of basket, maybe. Oh, actually this might be another planter. I love how this creator is able to find like ordinary objects and just turn them into something else. Oh, it is a basket. Okay. This could be a basket, a planter. It could be several different things. Oh, it's a towel. See, she's showing us several different things. And then this next DIY involves cardboard. So we already saw kind of what this is. It's like pretty much a keepsake box, or maybe like a little treasure box. You can use this once again for numerous different items or uses. But I can't believe this is made out of cardboard. That is just crazy to me. And it looks like a little like suitcase. Very cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.